Good morning. I'm drinking my coffee and I had some toast for breakfast, and we're getting ready to head out to Science World today. So that should be really fun. And we're just packing up right now, and then we're gonna be on the road. Okay, so we are all loaded up. There's my buddy and my bubba. And now we're other girls. Sailor.
Hi.
Paige. Now we are on our way to go on a SkyTrain adventure. We're our first time on the SkyTrain, and we're gonna check it out and see if we can make it there. So wish me luck. So we made it to the mall, and now we are trying to find where to get onto the SkyTrain. So apparently it's a little bit more difficult than we realized. So now we're gonna try to get on.
Oh my word. We are turning, right?
I think we're going across. There's the girls way up there, leading the pack. They don't even know where we're going, but they're way ahead of us. So hopefully they're going the right way. So there's the building we're trying to get to. The big glass building. That's the part of the SkyTrain. We made it. We're here at the King George Station, getting on the Expo Line SkyTrain. Here's the girls on the platform. That's such a pretty background. So now we're just trying to figure out if we get on the train or don't get on the train. So the door's just closed, we're not getting on the train. So we're gonna wait for the next one and see if that's the right train. But we made it here. Look at the view, it's so pretty. There goes the SkyTrain. Okay, we made it, we're on, and it's moving. We got on the right thing. Girls, hi. Kenzie. This is our first time, well, me and Kenzie's first time on the SkyTrain. It's like a really loud bus. Yeah, but there's the view. So we're gonna ride this for half an hour, I think, or longer. We made it. We were 40 minutes on the SkyTrain, and now we are gonna just figure out how to get into Science World. So we made it. There's the girls up ahead like usual, and there's Science World. Look at how cool it looks. So neat. Love it. Try to get a picture of the girl. All right, go. Try to get to the 20 watts. You're at the bottom. Faster, faster. Oh yeah, go Kenzie. Keep going. Oh, you made it. You totally did it. Mrs. Longlegs. Oh my god.
These targets represent the water you use every day. Keep the flashing targets to use as little water as possible from your tank. These targets mean wasted water, so pay close attention. Agree with the 2, 1. The choices you make are
So it's lunchtime now. I'm having soup potato fries is what they have here for me. So we're eating that and we're going exploring. More exploring. There's everybody. Are you done talking in the whisper dish?
Yeah.
It just looks like you had the whole something.
I think I have to be farther back.
I don't think this works. Try it again.
I think you have to go far back.
What's it supposed to look like?
Because you can't have depth perception so it's wide. Look like you're not different on the thing. Working?
That is humongous.
Imagine not eating you.
Okay. Make your seat fly, Ken. Good job. Oh, you almost got it.
I want to get in there and fly.
No.
Wait, what did you do? I just put mine in and it flew. I didn't even make this.
Wow.
Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Guys, these are poisonous.
Oh, look at that nasty one
No,
on the...
those are poisonous.
Oh, I touched them.
Why are they not moving?
Guys, I pet them.
Ew. Oh God. Ew.
Oh, this one's moving. Big
Guys, I
time.
want to pet it. Can I put my hand in there?
No.
Why not? There's cockroaches.
No,
That's
you're not
a
allowed.
poisonous
Do you see the
dart
sign
frog.
that says no hands? For a reason.
You can tell that's a bug. That is
He's like hanging
so
upside down.
wild.
Look at this
Or
one.
no, he's not upside down. He's just hanging.
It's dead.
Did you go to Drumheller and go to the reptile room?
Hey, I did.
Yeah, I was not.
Can we go in there?
It's a beaver.
Is there a beaver inside?
Yeah.
Like a stuffed beaver.
I would hope it would be a stuffed beaver.
Oh, I
There's
love
the
that.
beaver in there. That's how you get close to weird animals. I don't like it.
It's kind of creepy in here.
Yeah. I like it here.
That's so cool. Tail starts. There's the dinosaur. Kenzie,
Here, Mom.
where are you?
Are you vlogging?
Hey,
Yeah.
Kenzie, move up.
Paige,
There
I
you go.
see you.
You can't sit up there though.
No, I mean like
It's
stand up.
slippery.
We're in the tree. We're in the tree. I mean like stand up. We're all like just sitting here.
You guys are inside the tree.
There's little steps.
It's like a tree house.
Hey boys. I wish I had this in my room.
That's very fun.
Chloe, make a key. Did you get it?
I got a few.
Wait, can I see them if they're good first?
Kenzie. All right, wheelchair races. Go faster! Faster, faster!
Phase one, I gave up. This one's harder. That one's way easier.
Sailor, you just went right in there. That's hilarious. That's so funny. Okay, Kenzie, see if you can get right in.
I'm too tall.
You gotta fold your legs up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there, you did it.
44.
You got 44? Let's see what Sailor gets. 33. Paige, you gonna do it?
Oh,
Same, 44. Oh, you're stronger than me. You got 30.
Did you use your left or
I used both and I was 26 on both.
I'll see what I have on my right. Here? Left's on my dominant.
I'm gonna try the strength thing one more time. See how strong I can get. 22. I'm not very strong. Nice.
Try everything.
The apple is not there.
Try it, say it. It's so weird.
Okay, that is weird.
Oh, that's
Oh, it's, oh my God. There's no bottom. Oh my God, ew. This feels really weird. You can't really see it on camera. There's no bottom. That's freaky. Literally goes forever. That is weird.
You have to hold both. Does it work when? No, you have to.
Has to be the same person.
Oh, that's weird.
Well, I just see one of myself. There's my head's gone. Now I have a head again. Now my head's gone.
This is really trippy.
There. My shirt is so big, that's the problem. Oh, yeah. Just gonna take a break. Put my legs up a little bit and chill out. Yeah. There's my head. Oh, my head's gone. There's my head again. Chilling out. Girls, get back in there. I can see you over here. Get
It's watching. It's looking at you.
Oh, that's me. That's not you. That's me. Where are you?
Oh my.
Is that you? Oh my God, look it. Oh my God, that's your mom. Okay, that is cracking me up. Where did I go? Why did I disappear? Where am I? Oh, here I am. Here I am.
Oh my gosh, Sarah looks like me.
Oh my God, I look like my 600-pound life on here. Okay, that is actually not that heavy. Getting tired now? One. Do your second hands. Only one person did two hands. That was me. That was me.
Oh, mathematics on the wall.
That's cool. No one likes math. I love math.
Oh.
Monkey, hold this too. I want to get Dawson's. Wait.
Cover your phone, sailor.
Wait, hold on, I have my phone.
It's like 20 degrees out here. That's awesome.
Okay.
So nice.
Hold this, please. I'm dying. Mom, we use this much water in one day.
I know.
That's wasteful.
I know, it is. And she throws it on Sailor. Yeah. That's wasteful. But here, let me throw it.
Wasteful, eh, Ken?
Yeah, Kenzie, don't be wasteful.
I probably use double that.
Now we're at the outside exhibits, and it's 20 degrees out here. So hot, so beautiful, but I'm wearing a sweater, so I'm really sweaty. It's really sweaty. Sandra, hi. And we're gonna go in and watch the movie. What's the movie called again? Arctic
Wonders of the Arctic.
Wonders of the Arctic. So we're gonna go in and watch that. So I'll see you soon. We made it to the theater. And holy crap. It was, what was it? 180 meters up or something?
Yeah.
We had to walk 180 meters up. And it was really far. The girls are behind us. And taking pictures. The movie we're gonna see. So now we're all done at Science World, and everybody had a really good time. And now
Shout out to Dawson's hoodie.
Dawson's hoodie that I kept dry while you guys were having your water fight. So you're welcome, Dawson. And now we're gonna go and try to find, we're gonna get back on the SkyTrain, and we're gonna go try to find Gastown. So we're gonna try to figure out what stop we get off, because I'm gonna go to the vegan place. It's called Meat in Gastown. And so we're gonna check it out and see. So yeah, wish us luck. It's so sunny today. It's beautiful. Love it. Super hot. I wish I did not wear a sweater because I am cookerating. Yes, I'm very sweaty. There's the girls ahead as usual. Now we're gonna go get back on the SkyTrain. Oh no! We made it! So we just got off the SkyTrain, and now we are going to Gastown, and we're gonna see if we can find my place to eat. And yeah, the girls are ahead as usual. Girls, way ahead of us, as per usual.
Exit the main building.
Sorry. Bye.
My card was.
You had just ordered.
Thanks for that.
Wait, were you vlogging?
Okay, so now here we are walking down the street, and we're gonna just be looking for my place. Kenzie and Sailor are up ahead as per usual. We made it to meet. Look at There's meat. We're going in. This better live up to my expectations or I'm gonna be really sad. I can't wait. I'm so excited. So you go through this little tunnel and it's like, look at it's all like fancy looking. And then when you come out, this is what you see. So now we're inside meat, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool looking in here. Flip it around. So this is Kenzie's vegan root beer float. How is it?
It's really good.
Is it awesome?
Yeah.
Are you gonna let me try it?
Here.
Sailor has one too. And Paige has one too. So our waitress is so super sweet and she brought us an appetizer on the house. And so it's the, what is it? Sticky, sweet chili cauliflower wings. So she brought us those and we are loving them. They are so good. How good are the wings? So good. So delicious. Did you have some?
Yeah.
What do you think? So amazing. Me and Paige were just talking about ordering it too. And then she brought it to us on the house. Look at that. Yeah. So my meal just came and it's a mac and cheese burger with salad and fries and chipotle mayo. Yeah, look at this. This is my gigantic burger with onion rings, mac and cheese, the burger patty, and it has, I think, some jalapenos on there. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna try the mac and cheese. Look at this mac and cheese. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so good. We're done at meat, and now we're at the Wishing Treats vegan candy studio. So we're gonna go inside and check it out.
Earlier,
No.
but that's the end of a batch. Basically, what we do is we start out the grilling pot, boil up some sugar, pour it on that big steel table. That's 1,500 pounds. It's a heat sink that absorbs energy from the candy because the sugar's got a really high specific heat. It takes a lot of energy to raise the sugar up 1 degree Celsius. A lot of energy's got to go somewhere when it cools down. So that table gives the energy a place to go.
Cool.
1,500 pounds of cold rolled steel. It's a candy cooling table. Like it's made just for candy cooling. And you can't go down like to Rona and pick one of these things up. We found this one in a praline factory in Louisiana. It was probably made in the 40s or 50s. Sometime just after World War II.
That's so cool.
It was completely covered in rust. It took like $200 worth of grinding wheels just to get down to the. But they do make them like that still, but they cost like $25,000.
Yeah.
This score, it's worth paid like $200.
So we just left the candy place and we got some candy. They were just closing, so we were quickly in, quickly out. And Kenzie's already gonna get into the candy right now. And yeah, we're going back. It's really interesting. There's like really crazy buildings. They're like really nice buildings, and then all of a sudden you're like, where did that weird looking building come from? So now we're gonna go try to find our way back to the Sky Train and go back home. What a cool clock.
It's for the olden days, Taylor said. People can tell. Yeah.
Hey!
Hold on,
What's up?
I don't. Hi.
Here's the girls, all wet, so I made them sit on the floor. Because I'm super... Sunny, what are you doing? You guys are so weird.
Yeah, that's me later. I think you guys have a Bible in here.
Kenzie has her vegan pickle juice.
Okay, you guys Did you actually get it?
2.
Oh my god. That hit your tooth.
Oh, 3. You're gonna.
Did you actually catch that?
Went down my throat.
Oh my god! That's awesome.
5, 6,
You're so good at that.
8.
Oh my
9.
Okay, we gotta get to 10.
10.
Good job.
God, this is gonna be 2.
That's depressing.
Kenzie, hello. Hello.
Wait.
Put it over the mat.
Sunny's asleep, I think. Sunny, you asleep?
Yes.
Yes?
Arf, arf.
My butt isn't wet, just saying.
All
Guys, I
right.
bet you can
Mine is, but I have a towel.
It's snack time.
What? Mom,
It's
Mom,
snack
film
time
this.
at the young
Oh, I
residence.
got it.
Wait, ready?
Yeah.
Wait.
Well, why am I waiting so long? What's happening?
Can I eat these?
Hope not.
That's disgusting.
Dawson's actually swimming.
He was like iffy on it.
Okay, you're on the vlog here.
Don't you have a crush on him?
No.
Say.
Yeah.
Just say it today. Your face is like.
Yeah.
Mine is not on watch disease. Watch what you're saying.
What?
No, I
Dawson's
used to. He's like my
ugly.
best friend.
Dawson's a beautiful
Do you
boy.
like seafood?
Who?
You.
No.
She's vegan, you dumbass.
No, I want to go see food.
You're disgusting.
That's what you're talking about.
The second I walked into the hotel, I put on my bathing suit and any boys there.
Okay,
I'm
you
like,
guys
"That's
gotta
great."
stir them carefully.
Okay, everybody say hi again on my vlog.
Hey.
What up?
Hey. We were talking about you in the previous vlog,
Hannah.
by the way.
Hey, girl. Hey.
Hey, girl, hey.
Jeff pushed me to a
I'm gonna have that like stuck in my head forever now. I'm gonna be saying that to people.
Hey, girl. Hey.
Hey.
James Vegan Life coming at you with another daily vlog ready to make your day.
Hey guys, it's Kenzie.
And Kenna.
You
And
gonna
Hannah. Get out
and
of
the
here.
rest of the
And Sunny. And Sailor, what are you doing, Sailor?
Hi, new shirt.
and Dawson.
And Dawson.
Are these
Dawson's new
noodles
to the
done?
group
No,
and
3
page.
minutes.
Dawson, you're new. Happy man. I'll just hold it. I'm an outsider.
So that's it for me tonight. I'm just gonna sit here and drink my coconut water and chill out. It's been a super long day and we have to get up early tomorrow for practice. So if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. And I hope I see you all tomorrow.